Welcome back to 50 Car. It doesn't glide, it rips through time. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie isn't just a hypercar, it's a fever dream born in a wind tunnel and baptized on the track. This isn't about transportation. This is a declaration of war against gravity, boredom, and the ordinary. Main features. The Valkyrie fuses F1 engineering with road legality. Built in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies, it houses a naturally aspirated 6.5L Cosworth V12 paired with a hybrid system pushing 1,160 horsepower. Every inch screams aerodynamic function. Every bolt speaks racing language. Exterior design. The front nose is razor sharp, framed by ultra-slim LED headlamps carved like fighter jet optics. The grille is nearly absent, replaced by deep aerodynamic voids. The entire body seems hollow, channeling airflow through, over, and under like a living wind tunnel. Wheel arches are high and exposed. The rear? Aggressively hollow, with an enormous diffuser and a minimalist light bar. Pros: unmatched downforce raw beauty. Cons: it's intimidating and visibility is limited. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, it's a stripped-down cockpit, not a cabin. Seats are fixed, and you sit nearly reclined, like a fighter pilot. The steering wheel is removable, housing most controls and a screen. Side mirrors are replaced with cameras. Materials: carbon fiber Alcantara and weight-shaving genius. It's thrilling, but not for the comfort-minded. Storage is non-existent. There's no infotainment system, just the sound of fury. Performance: 0-60 in 2.5 seconds, top speed beyond 250 miles per hour. The Valkyrie's V12 revs to 11,000 RPM. Yes, really. Handling is surgical, steering is scalpel sharp. On the road, it's brutal and unforgiving. On the track, it's transcendent. Pros: raw race-bred excellence. Cons: maintenance is exotic, part replacement costly, and the hybrid system, though clever, is complex and warranty limited. Market positioning. Priced around $3 million with only 150 units planned, the Valkyrie isn't for the average buyer. It targets ultra-high net worth individuals, typically 40+, seeking exclusivity and bragging rights. Against the AMG 1 and Gordon Murray T.50, the Valkyrie is louder, less refined, and arguably more feral. It's a driver's car in a digital world. Additional features. Buyers can opt for a track-only AMR Pro version. Customization options include liveries, racing harnesses, and even pit crew setups. Warranty support is bespoke, but requires scheduled check-ins with Aston Martin's elite network.